In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop effectively on Alibaba. Whether you're new to online shopping or simply want to refine your process, this guide will take you through each step, ensuring a seamless experience. So let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head over to Alibaba's website. You can do this by typing www.alibaba.com into your address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll be greeted by a vast array of categories and products. Take a moment to browse through, either by entering a specific search query or by exploring their categories. This initial browsing step helps you get a sense of what's available and start pinpointing the products that pique your interest. As you navigate, focus on selecting a product that meets your needs. Select a product listing to learn more about it. You'll want to carefully read the product description and specifications to ensure it's exactly what you're looking for. Don't forget to check the vendor ratings and customer reviews to reassure yourself of the product's quality and the seller's reliability. Once you've found a product that feels right, it's time to take the next step by initiating the purchase process. Click on the Start Order button. This will redirect you to a page where you can finalize your purchase details. Here, you'll need to input your shipping information. Make sure that your address is accurate to avoid any delivery mishaps. Double-checking details at this stage is crucial. Next, select your preferred payment method. Alibaba offers various payment options, so choose the one that suits you best. Input your payment information with caution to ensure everything is correct. Having entered these details, you're now ready to click on Pay Now. This step finalizes your order and initiates the transaction. And just like that, your order is complete. After payment, you should receive a confirmation email with your order details. Hang on to this email just in case you need to reference it later. And now, it's just a matter of waiting for your order to be processed and shipped. Depending on the delivery method and location, shipping times can vary, so keep an eye on any updates from the seller. There you have it, a concise yet comprehensive guide to navigating Alibaba and making a purchase. Following these steps will ensure that you enjoy a smooth shopping experience. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and happy shopping. Remember, the more familiar you become with the platform, the more efficient your shopping experience will be. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher, and good luck with your future purchases.